Hello, my name's Rhino, and today we're going to redesign a logo that I got in my Discord. And we're going to give them something kind of special, and we're going to see if they like it. So stay with me, and we're going to get right to the video. Before we get in the video, I just want to say that I stream on Twitch at 6 p.m. Eastern on weekdays, sometimes on weekends. Well, actually, most days, most times on weekends. But if you want to catch me there, we do art, we do emotes, we do a whole bunch of other stuff. So catch me on Twitch if you enjoy the video. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you. And let's get into the video. So this is a logo sent to me in my Discord by Lord Veggie. Now, there's not really too much going around on this, but like I see the slashes here. So I don't know if he's just looking for the LV to be an icon, but I kind of want to make him a small little icon that he can use for his social profile pictures other than the LV, because sometimes text doesn't translate as small. So we're also going to draw him a little carrot, I think, as being Lord Veggie. So let's see how that goes too. Yeah, so let's get to drawing real quick, and I'll be back when I have the icon. All right, so we have this. It's gonna be a fatty carrot, kind of. So it doesn't really look like a carrot right now, but we're gonna take it into Illustrator. We're gonna give it some shape and some color, some thickness, I think. So here we are in Illustrator. So since this is kind of exactly straight down the middle here, it's symmetrical. We're gonna start with one side and then we're gonna copy it to the other side, I think. So give me a second. Oh, well, that took longer than I'd like to admit, but we got it. We got the top. The rest should be fairly easy. But we're gonna finish this real quick, and then we are going to make a little letter mark for LV. So what I'm doing here is separating the stroke from the bottom so I can shade it a little bit. I know shading doesn't usually look good small, but I feel like it kind of needs it for this one, so we're gonna try it and see what happens. So I fattened it up a little bit. I wanted to, at least the outsides, and this kind of looks good. I think it really pops well. We're gonna see if it works on dark colors, so we're gonna separate it and see if it works on dark and light colors. So here we have the light and the dark versions. I think I don't really think the black and white translates too well, but I don't really think that matters because nowadays things are all digitally printed, so I don't think this is too bad. Screen printing rise, which I specialize in, it's not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors on a dark shirt. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. So we are gonna make the LV kind of fat and chunky. I think we're gonna find a font that makes it fat and chunky and works well with it. So I decided to double down on the carrots to give it a little something more. I took away the LV because I didn't think it fit anywhere, and it's like Lord Veggie is like not a sharp name, so I went with a rounded font that is Igrolds medium. I don't know. I can't say that name, but yeah, this looks good. So we're gonna make him a profile picture and see with just one carrot, and we might animate this too for a live notification. Simple, easy profile picture for socials. Should look good. He's apparently he's a YouTube streamer, which I didn't know. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so orange, I think we want to animate this, so I have to get everything separated. So, well, at least I at least need the separated of the carrot. So we're gonna separate the carrot. So we're here in After Effects, and we're gonna make him a going live GIF, so he can use it on like Twitter or wherever he's posting. So it's like hey, look at me, I'm here. So first thing we want to do is a solid that has orange in it. Orange solid. Bam! Import our stuff. Bam! Carrot. Big carrot. Scale that down. Wow. Rotate it a little bit. I think no. Let's keep it there. That's 200%. Let's go to 100%. Yeah, there we go. How do we want it? Do we want it coming out of the ground like? Do you want that? And then it comes over, goes shoot, and it says Lord Veggie is live. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Position. Let's go up here, add a keyframe. See how that looks. Is that too fast? No, it's not too bad. Alright, we're gonna ease it. Easy ease, and then we're gonna go to our speed graph. I always like to change this because it like just doesn't make sense that it goes slow, fast, slow. I like going fast and then slow, so it just like naturally stops, kind of like putting on brakes. See? I love that. I love that. So that is good. Now we're gonna do another position. Put it right here. Bring it out a little bit more. And then bring it out here. Foof. Foof. That looks good. That looks good. So now we have to add the text, but we also have to add the mask for the text that comes off. So this is going to be a little trickier. So we're going to start with the position here. End with the position all the way over. Oops, wrong one. And there we have a going live GIF. All we have to do is export it and we're good. So let's just go over what we did today. So we made him an icon for Lord Veggie, which is a carrot. I saw that carrot that he was using in his banner for YouTube. So I decided to go ahead and make him an icon with a little splash of white back there and make it a little pop a little bit. This is where we started from, which is just the LV that has some slashes in it. I don't really understand what that has to do with Lord Veggie, but hey. And then we ended up with a GIF, which you see right here, and I hope he likes it, right? We'll see how he likes it. If he doesn't like it, then throw it in the garbage. Go be it. All right, guys. So that's the redesign that I did this week. Expect more videos to come like this. I have shorts coming out too. So if you like the video, you like your stuff, and you want a chance to get your stuff redone, join the Discord. I'll leave a link in the description for it. And yeah, I will see you later.